6 quick workouts to combat stress and anxiety. Start feeling better today. Hey there, wellness wavers. Do you sometimes feel stressed or anxious? Life can throw a lot at us. But thankfully, stress can be temporary because it only takes a few minutes of movement to shift your mood. In fact, experts say even short bursts of exercise can significantly relieve stress by lowering stress hormones. Today we'll guide you through 6 step-by-step simple, quick workouts you can do anytime, anywhere without a gym membership. Let's dive into these science-backed stress buster exercises and lift that burden of stress and anxiety away. Number 6, deep breathing exercises. Deep, slow breathing immediately engages your parasympathetic nervous system. This nervous system is responsible for the body's relaxation response. Numerous studies confirm that breathwork significantly lowers anxiety and stress. In fact, a recent meta-analysis found that controlled breathing techniques produced a moderate, significant reduction in stress levels. Another review of 72 breathing-based interventions reported that 54 of them successfully reduced stress and anxiety. You might be thinking, surely just breathing can't help that much. But even pausing for 30 seconds of slow abdominal breaths can interrupt the tension cycle and calm your mind. The good thing about this exercise, it can be done whether you are sitting or standing. Just find that comfortable place, then relax and inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, expanding your belly, then exhale gently for 6 to 8 counts. This breathing is also classified as the box breathing, which can also lower high blood pressure. But that's for another video. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on long exhales, longer than inhales, to activate relaxation. The truth is way simpler than you think. You can do this seated at your desk or right before bed. Number 5, jumping jacks or running in place. Jumping jacks, marching or running in place, quickly raise your heart rate and burn stress hormones like adrenaline. This exercise is known to reduce cortisol and adrenaline and boost endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. Even a brief 30 to 60 second burst of cardio can shake off nervous energy. You might assume that only long workouts can help to reduce stress and anxiety. And that's where you are wrong. Let's just debunk that myth right now. Research from the Harvard University noted that using large muscle groups in a rhythmic, repetitive fashion, such as walking or jogging, works best to clear the mind. And even a simple 20-minute stroll can reduce stress. Similarly, 30 seconds of jumping jacks breaks tension quickly. Do about 20 to 30 jumping jacks or jog in place for about 45 seconds. Pump your arms and lift your knees to get blood flowing. Land softly to protect the knees and keep your core engaged. If this is challenging, march briskly or do high knees on the spot. Number 4, isometric holds, for example, wall sit. Isometric exercises involve holding a position under tension. Think wall sit while pressing palms together. When stressed, we often unconsciously clamp our muscles, increasing tension. Isometrics intentionally release that tension by tensing the body, then relaxes specific muscle groups. This focus on a single static hold gives your mind something constructive to do while your body calms down. In fact, the Australian Mental Health Service Open Arms notes that isometric exercises are an effective way to release physical tension in particular areas of your body. You might feel the burn, but that's okay. It signals your muscles working and gradually easing the stress. Just lean against a wall, then slide down so your thighs are parallel to the floor, holding for 20 to 30 seconds. Keep your knees directly over your ankles, and breathe steadily and slowly. To make this a bit more challenging, press your palms together straight out in front of your chest. Keep them at shoulder height, hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then release. Breathing through the hold allows you to combat stress. Number 3, yoga flow, sun salutations. Yoga combines breath and movement, creating a moving meditation. A simple sun salutation sequence such as reaching up, folding forward, the plank, the cobra pose, and the downward facing dog lengthens and strengthens muscles while centering your mind, body, and soul. Modern research confirms yoga's stress-busting power. For example, one report notes that recent studies found yoga significantly reduced stress and improved well-being. In fact, a study showed participants doing yoga breathing exercises felt a significant drop in stress scores right after practice. If you're new, don't worry about perfect form. Even moving slowly through 3 to 5 flows in 1 minute can reset your mood. Coordinate each pose with your breath. Inhale to sweep arms up, exhale to fold forward, inhale to plank, exhale to push back. Go at a smooth, steady pace. Keep the movements gentle. You can skip the jump or hop by stepping between each pose. Focus on a stable base and long spine, and let your breathing guide the rhythm. Number 2. Body weight strength, such as the plank. A strong core supports better posture and can indirectly reduce physical tension that adds to stress. The plank, a simple forearm hold, activates all core muscles at once, which in general lowers stress hormones and releases tension. You might be thinking, planks can be challenging, but that's okay, we've got you. Remember now, the key is to focus on your breathing and to keep your body properly aligned. Each 15 seconds hold sends messages to your brain that your body is safe and engaged in control, which helps quiet anxious thoughts so fast it's unbelievable. Let me know in the comments section if you ever tried this exercise for stress relief before. To execute the plank, start on all fours, then slowly lift both knees, stepping them back into a straight line. Keep your elbows under your shoulders and your back flat. No sagging. If this becomes too challenging, you can always stay on all fours. Think of pushing the floor away to engage the shoulders. Start with 10 to 20 seconds per plank. Remember to always listen to your body. If your arms shake, that's fine. It means the exercise is working. Gradually build up to about 60-second holds as you feel stronger. Finally, we save the best and most important one for last. The stretching routine. It is very important to always stretch before and after any exercise. Stretching releases any remaining muscle tightness from head to toe. Chronic stress often tightens muscles, but gentle stretches can break that cycle. Research even shows that stretching can increase serotonin, the feel-good hormone, and help stabilize mood. By slowly bending, reaching, and holding, you send calming signals throughout your entire body. Now, I'm pretty sure you are thinking stretching feels basic, but yes, it really can make you feel calmer and more relaxed within a minute. Hold each stretch for at least 15 to 30 seconds without bouncing. Focus on deep breathing into the stretch. Inhale, lengthening your spine. Exhale slowly. Release the tension while relaxing your body. Include neck rolls, shoulder rolls, and hamstring/quadriceps stretches. For example, sit tall and reach forward to touch your toes or thighs. You'll feel lower back and calf relief. You've just completed 6 under 1 minute stress busters. Each move activates your body's natural relaxation pathways. To really see results, try this full sequence once a day. For example, every morning or anytime stress hits for the next week. Notice how your body and mind start to unwind more quickly. Even on busy days, remind yourself that each exercise only takes a minute of your time. Try it for 7 days and see how much calmer you feel. If you are serious about taking your health and vitality to the next level, smash this next video here. As always, thanks for watching. If this info was helpful, please like the video. If you are new here, welcome. Take the first step. Subscribe to our channel. Share your experience in the comments. Which move helped you relax the most? And don't forget to share with a friend who needs stress relief. You've got this. Now take a deep breath and start feeling better, and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.